Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a Cub Cadet 107, has a bad steering arm and a spindle. I have a good used one right there. I'm going to put it right in it, but you can see that that arm is going way back and forth. They put a bolt in it trying to tighten it up, and they put like a set screw on the side trying to tighten it up, but this one here is just so far gone you can't even imagine. So I'm going to put you in a stand, going to jack it up, and it won't take very long to do this. This is a real simple job. It's the same on all narrow frame machines. They had a tendency to have this issue. First thing we're going to do is jack it up. Take the wheel off next. Takes a 9/16. Now don't be surprised when you take off the wheel on a narrow frame. The way they had the rim set up, and this one did, but a lot of times the bearing will stay right on there. So what you do is you take the bearing off and you tap it so it's nice and tight around there. But this one here seems to be in good shape. These machines are getting so old that even the rims are starting to get wore on them. Takes ½ inch right here, the way they have it set up. We're gonna put it back together original with a roll pin. We probably better take off the tie rod first on the top. That's one step I missed. Takes a 9/16 and a ½ inch. Now we're going to take this one off right here. We're just going to see if that arm will fall right off. And it should. Actually, this was loose in it. That's going to fall right off. I'm going to take this cotter pin out right here for your lower tie rod. And there's the spindle out. And I'll show you how, actually that one isn't more that bad, but we are going to change it out and put this one in here. Because this one here is a little bit smaller than that one. That one is a little bit egg-shaped over in that area right there. So we're going to put that arm right in. Better get a hammer, knock that off. Now we're going to put the arm back on. We're going to put a punch in it, kind of line up the hole, see right there. I'm going to put the pin in just like so. You can see it's nice and tight compared to what it was. We'll put this one on first. Put the nut on. I'm going to put some WD-40 on it. I'm really sold on WD-40, very much so. Take this off right here. We're going to put the wheel back on. Takes a 9/16, tighten that up. We're going to let it down. And now we're going to try it. Now the steering box is a little bit wore in this machine, but you can see it's a lot tighter. So it's a very easy job to do it on these narrow frames, changing out them spindles. I appreciate everyone that's subscribed to my channel, watches me, and we'll definitely see you on the next video. If you have an idea of a video you would like to see, I'll be glad to do it for you. One thing that's coming up soon is putting dual remotes on a Cyclops. So everyone have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.